Today I am going to show you how to do the complete setup of your HP DeskJet 4355 all-in-one printer. This is a printer of HP DeskJet 4300 series. Now first step is to take the printer out of the box. To start the setup process, first we have to remove the protective tape. Remove it from here. And then remove this part. Open the front door. Pull it down, it will open the ink chamber. Now remove this board from here. Close the chamber and close this door. Now plug in the power cable at the back side of the printer. Plug it in here. The printer will switch on itself. Next step is to install the setup ink cartridges and load the paper. So first we will load the paper. Paper tray is here. So you have to push this and then slide it out. There is a blue lever, so you have to push it all the way to the other side. Place the paper just here. Leave it. Next is to install the setup ink cartridges. To install the setup ink cartridges, open the front chamber and then pull this door down. Take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. So there are two ink cartridges, HP 68 black and tricolor, and it also says setup ink cartridge. Remove the protective tape. So that is just the orange seal from the back of the ink cartridge. Do it for the both ink cartridges. To install the ink cartridges, first we can load the tricolor. Just slide it in, push with the finger, and then the black ink cartridge. Close this chamber. Wait for the printer to print the alignment page. Next step is to scan the page. Open the lid. Place this page facing down on that corner just here. And then click on the copy button. So it will do the scanning. Just wait for a few seconds. Scanning is done. Now we can remove this page. Our printer is ready for the copy and now we can start using it. Next step is to do the wireless setup of the printer. We can connect it with the internet and then we can use it for wireless printing and scanning with different devices. So I'm just going to show you how to connect with the internet and start using it. You can use your smartphone, MacBook, or you can also use a Windows laptop. So right now I'm just going to use my smartphone. In the smartphone we have to download the HP app. Before it was HP Smart app, but this app is updated. Go to the App Store. If you are using an Android phone, then you can go to the Play Store. Type in HP. Select HP. Look for the HP that is here, the best of HP in one place. Download this app and then open it. To add the printer, Click on the add device. This is a new printer we are setting up for the first time. So select on the first option, launch setup. In this section you will see your printer HP DeskJet 4300 series setup. Select it. It will only show up if your smartphone is already connected to the home Wi-Fi network. On the next page it will ask you connect your printer to Wi-Fi, and it displays HP DeskJet 4300 series. So it will not display HP DeskJet 4355 printer, it always displays the series. Click yes. On the next page it will display the wireless network name. Click next. Once your printer is connected, you will see the wireless light is stable on the printer, and also on the screen it says setup complete. Click done. Press the I button on the printer control panel. Just press and release it once. Continue the setup process. We still have to add the printer so that we can use it for wireless printing and scanning using the smartphone. For printer privacy, there are few options. Select any option you want to use. I'm just going to click accept all. This is a very good printer because it has an ADF tray on the top, so we can do the copy using that. We can also do the scanning. On the next page, select the country. And click continue. Register this printer and enjoy account benefits. If you want, you can register or you can use it for free. Click on the skip account activation. Same thing with the ink. You can skip do not enable ink delivery, skip offer. Select auto updates, that is recommended, and click save. You can also click on the notify when available. Let's print the page to see if printer is connected and it's working. Printer is connected and it has started to work. On the screen, click on the continue. On the top it says my printer and it displays the name of the printer series, HP DeskJet 4300 all-in-one printer series. So setup is complete. Let's do the scanning test. For the scanning we can use the ADF tray. Place the page here. So the starting should be like from here. You can also scan multiple pages with this printer. I'm just going to give a demo just for one scanning. Click on the scan. Scan is done, it is transferred. You can see here. So printer is quick, it's fast in printing. It just depends upon the wireless speed, like how the signal is about the Wi-Fi, and it will just work according to that. If you don't have a home Wi-Fi network, then you can use the printer's inbuilt Bluetooth or Wi-Fi direct system. If you want to know how to set up that, you can watch my video for that as well. And here we can just save it or share it. So I'm just going back. Also this printer, it can do copy using the ADF tray. So you just have to load the pages. If you want to copy multiple pages, just place it here, same way like the scanning, and then click on the copy button, so it will start the copy. This printer cannot do automatic two-sided copy, two-sided printing, or automatic two-sided scanning. For copy, we can just do the two-sided copy. That is manual. So if you want to do that, just take your page, reverse it, and load it again. Just here. All the way down. And then you can place the second page you want to copy, and then click on the copy button, so it will do the copy on the both sides of the page. Same with the printing, you can just print one page, place it back, and give a second print command. Only then it will print on the both sides. For the ID, you can just use the scanner bed that is here, and for the passport, even then you can use the scanner bed. That's all about this printer. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.